Welcome back to Blooming Rose Academy English classes. Class 8 English test lesson first poem The Ant and the Cricket. Today I will tell you the summary of this poem. Actually students, this is a summary of an ant and a cricket. The ant was very laborious and cricket was very lazy. He does nothing during summer and free time. The cricket used to sing whole day and used to move on here and there. He did nothing, he only enjoyed. And once when the winter came, then cricket had nothing to eat. And after winter, the rainy season came. Then again, the cricket had nothing to eat, and the cricket had also no house to live in. So the cricket became very sad. And then he thought that now what should I do to live in? How I would save myself from this rain? And he had now to go on without food. He had to go on starvation. Starvation means without food. Then an idea came into the mind of cricket that I should go to ant and request that you give me some food and a shelter only for this winter and rainy season. When this winter will end and rainy season will end, then I will return your food. Then the ant reply, no, neither I take land to anyone, neither I borrow anything to anyone, nor I return. So this process of taking, borrowing and giving, I don't do it. The ant also said to cricket that you are neither my friend nor my relative, so why should I give you food and shelter? Now the cricket had to go on without food the whole rainy season. Again ant asked to cricket, what did you do in your free time in summer and other time? Then the cricket replied that I used to sing and become happy, dance when I was free during the summer time. Then the ant said that since you sing the whole summer, now you go and dance in this winter and rainy season. I will not give you anything. Actually students, the moral of this poem is that there are many people among us like this cricket. They don't want to do anything, but they want luxury a lot of. So it's not possible for any man that who does not work for his food and he want very good, very delicious food. It is not possible. Just you think, if I do nothing and I want a food very grand and I want to live in a house that is look like palace, is it possible? No, it is not possible. The poem gives us message that we should always work hard in our life to get success and to get achievement in our life. So this was the summary of this poem. All of you do the question answer of this poem, and if you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.